In a world where unexpected challenges can pop up anytime, whether it's a weekend camping trip, a city blackout, or a full-on wilderness adventure, having the right survival gear can make all the difference. The right tools don't just keep you safe. They give you confidence, convenience, and a sense of preparedness that's hard to beat. For 2026, Amazon is packed with innovative survival gadgets that blend practicality with cutting-edge tech, from ultra-compact multi-tools to high-tech emergency gear. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just someone who likes to be ready for anything, these 10 must-have survival gadgets are designed to keep you prepared, protected, and a step ahead of whatever life throws your way. Gerber Gear Ultimate Survival Knife. The Gerber Gear Ultimate Survival Knife is a versatile and reliable companion for any outdoor adventure. Featuring a half-serrated stainless steel drop point blade, it easily tackles cutting, slicing, and survival tasks. The ergonomic textured rubber grip ensures a secure hold, even in wet or challenging conditions, while the hammer pommel and integrated emergency whistle add practical functionality. Its innovative sheath houses a sharpening stone and ferrocerium rod fire starter, giving you essential tools for bushcraft, camping, hunting, or hiking, all in one compact design. With a 4.8-inch blade, 10-inch overall length, and 11-ounce weight, it's easy to carry without sacrificing durability. Backed by Gerber's limited lifetime warranty, this $40 survival knife is a dependable choice for serious outdoor enthusiasts. Baofeng UV5 R Pro 8-watt handheld radio. The Baofeng UV5 R Pro 8-watt handheld radio is a powerful and versatile communication tool, perfect for survival, outdoor adventures, and professional use. Supporting both UHF and VHF frequency bands, it offers wide coverage, making it ideal for hiking, camping, self-driving tours, and amateur radio enthusiasts. Its 771 gain antenna and adjustable high, medium, and low power modes ensure reliable communication even in remote areas. Equipped with a 3,800 mAh battery, it delivers long-lasting performance for extended outdoor activities. The radio features 128 channels, Vox function, emergency alarm, low battery alerts, and power-saving modes for convenience and safety. With a large, easy-to-read LCD screen and intuitive operation, the Baofeng UV5 R Pro, priced at $36, is a dependable survival gear essential. 4 Patriots 4-Week Survival Food Kit. The 4 Patriots 4-Week Survival Food Kit offers a practical solution for emergency preparedness, providing 192 servings of freeze-dried meals designed to last up to 25 years under proper storage conditions. Priced at $234, this kit includes 11 unique recipes, such as Grammy's Sweet Oatmeal and America's Finest Mac and Cheese, ensuring a variety of meals during emergencies. Each meal is individually packaged, making preparation straightforward. Just add boiling water and simmer for about 15 minutes. The meals are designed to provide approximately 1,302 calories per day, which may be sufficient for short-term emergencies. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter is a compact, lightweight, and essential survival tool for outdoor enthusiasts. Priced at just $18, it removes 99.999999% of waterborne bacteria, including E. coli and Salmonella, and 99.999% of parasites such as Giardia and Cryptosporidium, making it perfect for camping, hiking, and emergency preparedness. Its microfiltration system also eliminates microplastics down to 1 micron and reduces turbidity, ensuring safe, clean drinking water from rivers, lakes, or streams. Tested rigorously to meet US EPA, NSF, and ASTM standards, it provides up to 4,000 liters, 1,000 gallons, of purified water. Made from BPA-free materials, the LifeStraw is not only practical, but also socially impactful, providing clean water to a child in need for every unit purchased. Orca Tactical MOLLE First Aid Pouch. The Orca Tactical MOLLE First Aid Pouch is a compact yet robust medical pouch designed for quick access and durability. Measuring 8 inches H by 6 inches W, by 3.5 inches D and constructed from 600D polyester. It offers ample space for essential first aid supplies while remaining lightweight. The pouch features dual YKK zippers with silent pulls, allowing it to open flat and stay open, facilitating easy access during emergencies. Inside, elastic loops, instrument holders, and a zippered mesh compartment help organize contents securely. The MOLLE-compatible design ensures it can be attached to backpacks, vests, or belts, and the included first aid patch enhances visibility. Priced at $24, this pouch is a practical addition to any tactical or outdoor gear setup. Survival Throwing Axe. The Survival Throwing Axe is a versatile and reliable tool for any outdoor adventure, priced at just $20. With a 14.5-inch overall length and a 3.2-inch high-quality steel blade, it excels at chopping firewood, clearing branches, and preparing kindling, making it a must-have for camping, hiking, or survival situations. Weighing only 1.75 pounds, the axe offers excellent balance, whether for practical chopping or recreational throwing. Its smooth, ergonomic wooden handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. For safety and convenience, it comes with a durable protective sheath, making transport and storage worry-free. Lightweight, sharp, and durable, this survival hatchet is a dependable addition to any outdoor gear collection. Pocket Chainsaw. The Pocket Chainsaw is a compact and powerful survival tool. Priced at just $20, perfect for camping, hiking, and emergency preparedness. Made with high-strength 65 Mn steel, it has been tested to withstand over 4,000 newtons, making it nearly unbreakable under normal use. Its double-sided blade features 48 tiger claw teeth and 48 clog-clearing bulldozer teeth, allowing it to cut through wood and dense brush quickly and efficiently without getting stuck. Lightweight and shock-absorbent, the Pocket Chainsaw minimizes hand fatigue and easily clips to a belt or backpack for convenient carry. It retains its sharp edge and can be easily resharpened with a standard file, making it a reliable, long-lasting addition to any survival or outdoor gear kit. LcFun Electric Dual Arc Lighter. The LcFun Electric Dual Arc Lighter is a compact, reliable, and essential survival tool, priced at just $10. Its IP56 waterproof design, with a sealed metal cover and locking clasp, ensures it works flawlessly even in rainy or windy conditions, making it perfect for camping, hiking, and emergency situations. Flameless and windproof, it's powered by a rechargeable lithium battery that fully charges in about 2 hours via USB. No gas or refills needed. Made with durable ABS and zinc alloy materials, it's built to last and comes with a thick paracord lanyard for easy carry. Lightweight, safe, and convenient, the LcFun Dual Arc Lighter is a practical addition to any survival kit and makes a thoughtful gift for outdoor enthusiasts. Sierra Madre Emergency Sleeping Bag. The Sierra Madre Emergency Sleeping Bag is a compact, reliable, and essential survival gear, priced at just $14. Designed for extreme conditions, its thermal mylar material reflects up to 90% of body heat, keeping you warm in cold weather. Waterproof and windproof, it provides protection from rain, snow, and harsh winds, making it perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency kits. Weighing only 6 ounces, this ultralight bivy sack packs down small, fitting easily into backpacks, glove compartments, or bug-out bags, yet still offers full body coverage for most users. Durable and reusable, it withstands multiple uses, folding neatly back into its drawstring sack. Affordable, lightweight, and dependable, the Sierra Madre Emergency Sleeping Bag is a must-have for anyone prioritizing safety and preparedness outdoors. Survival Kukri. The Survival Kukri is a formidable and traditional blade, priced at $105, expertly hand-forged in Nepal using the time-honored methods passed down through generations. Crafted from 5,160 carbon steel, renowned for its toughness and edge retention, the blade features a 12-inch length with a 6-inch full tang handle made of rosewood, providing a balanced and ergonomic grip suitable for both left and right-handed users. The blade is water-tempered along the edge, enhancing its durability and sharpness. Weighing approximately 1.75 pounds, This kukri is designed for heavy-duty tasks such as chopping, splitting, and clearing brush, making it an indispensable tool for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. Each kukri comes with a warranty, ensuring quality and craftsmanship.